Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to change wallpaper on a laptop. If you have a boring or a by default wallpaper on your laptop and you want to change it, then I'll show you how it can be done. So you have to go to your desktop, do a right click and then you will see this option personalize. Click onto it and then you will see this option background. Click onto that one. Then you will see this option for colors. If you want solid colors, you can click onto it. Whatever color you select, it will be set as your background color. But if you want the images or some abstract art, then you will see this option for solid color. Will see this drop down menu, click on to picture and then picture will be there. Then select any picture that you want to use. If you want your personalize, you can click on browse photo, then from your system select any image of your choice and then it will be set as your wallpaper. Whatever you select, it will be set as the wallpaper. So that's how you will be able to change your wallpaper of a laptop. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.